The 2007 Mercedes S550, powered by a 5.5-liter V8 engine. With an automatic transmission, this rear-wheel drive sedan, with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 17 miles per gallon. This vehicle features alloy wheels, traction control, and hill ascent control. Safety features include front and rear side airbags, four-wheel ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include multi-disc CD player, navigation system, and Harman Kardon sound. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Just say, "Show me the Carfax" at Audi of Oakland, a Carfax Advantage dealer.